Hi, this is Mrs. Chariez. This is a video about how to search for images that you are allowed to use for your one-pagers or for your health projects here at Highlands. When you use images, some of them may be copyrighted. We have to be careful not to use other people's work product, things that they've created, unless they give us permission to use those things. Even when we find an image that is free for us to use, we still need to use a citation. Tell the teacher, put it in your paper where you got that image. So when you're searching for images, it's only a few extra clicks to make sure that you're allowed to use the image. Let's search for Revolutionary War, because a lot of you are going to do one-pagers over the course of your life, or 7th or 8th grade on the Revolutionary War. So when you search the Revolutionary War, and if you just want images, you're going to click on Images. And then all of these images here, they're terrific, but some of them may be copyrighted, so you don't want to use an image that's copyrighted. All you need to do is maybe go into Tools and click on, you'll see down here, Size, Color. You could limit or filter your results more carefully. So here you have usage rights. That this result that we've got from this search, they're not filtered by license, whether we can use them or not. So here we have them labeled for reuse with modification. We could change it a little bit. Labeled for reuse, meaning we are allowed to use it. Labeled for non-commercial reuse, and we could change it. Or labeled for non-commercial reuse. So let's just use this label for reuse. That means we're allowed to use it. Okay, and here are our images. Another way you could search is you go into your settings and click on Advanced Search. Okay. So here again, the Revolutionary War, you could add something else to your search right here. You might want to put Boston. Okay, you might want to add anything. And then you really, when you're searching for usage rights, you're going to go down to this location here, find free to use images. You can go down to this advanced image search, advanced search. You could read here more about details. But if you just click on this usage rights and make sure that it says free to use or share, even commercially. There's some other settings in this drop-down menu, not filtered. We don't want to search with this, not filtered. We want to find free to use or share, even commercially. Say if I had a business and I wanted a picture for my business cards, I could use this. Anything that says even commercially, I could really use that. But the free to use or share, then we're going to get our images. We're going to get images of Boston that we want. Here's Faneuil Hall. Here's the harbor. Looks like this might be the Tea Party if I look up close. And then we're able to reuse these images. Okay, so just using these two simple extra clicks, either in the Tools and clicking for our usage rights, okay, or going to the settings and clicking Advanced Search, and again, clicking down here on usage rights, we can make sure that the images we use on our homework, our projects, are not someone else's property that we're using incorrectly. We still need to cite where we got the picture from, but we are allowed to use it. Thanks.